Hello, welcome back, dear Dinka learners. I'm William Majak. Let us learn these short phrases in Dinka language. We begin from number one. One, chi you back. Chi you back. Chi you back mean how are you? You reply like and chibak and chibak and a chibak or and chibak. And chibak mean I am fine or I am well and chibak. Two, chol yin nga. Chol yin nga. Chol yin nga mean how are you? Sorry, not how are you. It's like how do you call yourself or what is your name? How do you call yourself or what is your name? Chol yin nga. So how do you call yourself? The reply is and chol majak, and chol majak, or and chol Jemut, and chol John, and chol Jacob, and chol Maria. And chol mean is like I am called Majak or my name is Majak. Number three, Yinbo Teno. Yinbo Teno. Yinbo Teno mean where do you come from? Where do you come from? Yinbo Teno. Where do you come from? You can reply like this. Enbo Nyamlel. Enbo Nyamlel. Enbo Nyamlel mean I come from Nyamlel. I come from Nyamlel. Nyamlel is a name of a town in a will. Enbo Nyamlel. You can say Enbo Canada, Enbo Kenya, Enbo Egypt, Enbo Sudan, Enbo Khartoum. Number four, Yengo loy iten. Yengo loy iten. Yengo loy iten mean what are you doing here? What are you doing here? Yengo loy iten. What are you doing here? You can reply simply like this. En lui ke akuma. En lui ke akuma. En lui ke akuma or en lui ke akuma. Akuma mean government. Simply you are saying that en lui ke akuma, I am working with the government. I am working with the government. And lui, and mean I am. Lui mean working. And lui kek akuma. I am working with the government. Yes, akuma mean government. Number five, apap. Yin chalech. Apap. Yin chalech is like well or good. Yin chalech, I thank you or I appreciate you. Number six, alech ten yinaya. Alech ten yinaya. Alech ten yinaya mean I also give you thanks or I also appreciate you. So that's how you say it in Dinka language. So it's very simple, guys. Dinka is very easy. If you are here with us and you did not subscribe to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also like the video. Comment also so that I know who are watching the video and who are learning with us here. Let us interact, okay? Thank you so much. Also go to our YouTube, our Facebook. Follow us, like the video, like the page, and also subscribe there. There is subscription button there in the Facebook page. Go to TikTok, learn Dinka with Majak, you will find us there. Thank you very much. Donald Kawek, Kuyane, and William Majak, the Pitong. Bye bye for now. See you.